Yeah, she said. What do you think, B?
I cannot believe this. Keep looking. B, I hope this is huge.
I hope you get a handy. Got our money back. You got 30 games. You got only on game 7. Re-triggered. No, it has to be in a row. Okay.
No, it has to be the other symbol. You have to
Oh,
get
the
3 of
compass.
those. Yeah, 2 compasses.
Oh, looky. Whatever that means. That's $45.
Did we just win our money back?
Yeah, we definitely got our money back plus Sugar Mama.
I know.
I hope you get a hand pay. I really do. I'm not gonna jinx it, but I hope you do.
Wow. This is like my time.
They're giving you all these dead spins. You're gonna hit some here soon.
I know, I hope.
Come on.
I think that's a hand. I think that's a re-trigger.
Times 3. How much is it?
$94.
$94.
Oh my gosh, B. Woo, I'm hot. I think that's a... Oh, that's nothing, never mind.
It's playing with you.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. That's crazy.
You know what you gotta do now, B? Print and sprint.
Print and sprint.
Come on, give her some good. Last spinner. You re-triggered on last spin. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Who the fuck are you?
15? Holy shit. Oh, I cannot
You won
believe-
$121 on that. B, I think you're gonna... Come on, B. Get your handy. Your handy Henderson. $9 times 3, that's $9.
9, okay. Still.
Hey. There you go. $600! You got a fucking hand pay! Hey! Sarah got her first fucking handy.
Oh my gosh. I have to call my mom.
Nailed it! How much was that? $18. You just got a fucking hand pay. Get your ID out. Look at that.
I'm at $1,500. I am. It's still going, Mom. The machine is still going. Okay, I promise.
Get your ID out, B.
I cannot believe this shit.
$9. You just want a fucking hand pay.
Okay, but I'm gonna pay this out and then we'll go. Bye.
B, you got a fucking... You beat me. You beat me. Hey, give me some.
Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I just did that.
Double! I want to see the machine turn off. You just got your fucking hand pay.
I did.
Do the pony. Come on, do the pony for Kelly.
Alright.
We got a tipper. It's her first hand pay. Do the dance. Hit him with it.